Welcome back everyone to another tutorial in the graphics in basic R series. In this tutorial we are gonna plot the line density curve. A line density curve represents the distribution of data over a continuous interval or time period. The peaks of a density curve displays the interval where most values are concentrated. And these kind of density curves are mostly used to determine the shape of any distribution. Let's plot a line density for 500 randomly distributed observation with mean 0 and standard deviation 1. So this is our variable y. But to plot the line density, first of all we have to find the probability density of any variable using a density function. So let's find the probability density for y, and then we can plot the density curve using normal plot function. So let's plot that. Okay, so this is the density plot for 500 randomly generated numbers. Now let's set some parameters to this density curve, and the first one is of course adding titles and labels to the axes, and for that we can use the option main for the title and xlab and ylab for labeling the axes. So let's execute that. Okay, so our title is here, and y-axis name and x-axis name. Now we can add colors and also specify line type and line width to the curve. To add the color we use the option col, and in this time I want to give blue colors to the curve, and my line type is 2. So if you remember from the previous lectures, the line type 2 is the dashed line. So I'm going to use the dashed line here, and the line width I'll keep 2. So let's execute this codes. Alright, so color is blue and it is a dashed line now. So we can further add another line chart or line density curve to the first chart. For that we have to create a variable and its probability density. So let's do that. Variable x and its probability density dx. Now we can plot the second curve using the lines function. So here lines function has the parameter dx, the probability density for the second curve, and the color of the second curve, and line type of the second curve, and line width of the second curve. I have given red colors to the second curve, so let's see how that appear. Alright, so this is the second curve here, which is red of course, and we can see both of these curves on the same chart. So that's all for the basic of this line density curve. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in next video.